name is David Jameson. I'm now director of the charity called Springboard to Life and manage the project called Way of the Goose. My job entails ensuring that the project achieves its aims and objectives. Way of the Goose is to get long-term unemployed people back into work so that at the end of the day they have some meaningful employment. We try to get them trained in something so they actually achieve something.
Hi, my name's Catherine and I'm the office manager at Way of the Goose. We have clients and students that come from various referring agencies across Coventry and Warwickshire. We have students across the whole age range and they generally come here to get involved in a number of projects that we do. We have a number of things that people can get involved in. We have a craft room and we do several art courses. In the past we've worked with Henley College and we've had quite a lot of students that have really enjoyed working in there. We also have a wood recycling project and volunteers and students can get involved in that with the collection of wood from the domestic and commercial waste stream, and they get involved in sorting that for resale. We also do a number of courses for carpentry skills and we have one of those due to start next week. We have a large catering kitchen and we've got a catering course due to start shortly.
Hi, I'm Elaine, catering manager at Way of the Goose. We've catered for a variety of groups. We have catered for the police, community organisations, Coventry Council and some private parties. We also cater for the local nurseries. We do a buffet service. We also do a order and collect service as well. The kitchen is a fully equipped training kitchen. We can cater up for 15 people and we have a course starting in 2 to 3 weeks.
The skills I've learned has been painting and decorating, plasterboarding, a bit of paper hanging, and I do it in my house now, so it's a new skill I've learned.
The Way of the Goose has helped me with my confidence and it's helped me keep my skills up to date, which is good.
Being a Christian charity, we know that prayer is really important, so we've recently added a prayer room that's available for anybody to use, clients, students or staff.
I often get asked the question, where does the name come from, Way of the Goose? And I think it explains really our Christian ethos, which is to encourage other people. Just as you see geese fly overhead in V formation, they encourage each other. And I like to think that everything we do here is to encourage the people who come here, to build them up, encourage them, become team members, and so to move on to a meaningful place in society.